Alright, so the very first thing you can see is I've got a guard on my clippers, and we're going through and just cutting the sides and back first. We're just going to go through and remove a lot of the weight that we know we're already going to cut off. So, starting here on the right side, I'm right-handed, so I tend to work on the right side first and work my way left. If you're left-handed, you might start on the left side first. I'm actually kind of curious to see what others do. I tend to, for whatever reason, always start my clipper work or scissor over comb work on the right side to work left. It just seems to be easier for me being right-handed. Curious if you're right-handed and for any reason why you start on the left, hit me up in the comment section below. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to continue. So as I'm working my way around the hair, I'm just flicking out at the occipital bone, and we're just going to remove the lower half of the back, save the upper half of the back for later, and just continue working my way all the way around to the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the lower half of the sides and back with the clippers, I've now got my comb and scissors, and I'm doing some scissor over comb, basically just blending that clipper work to the top. So we're leaving the top a little bit longer, so as you can see, I'm just simply going through and eliminating that line that we had when we stopped the clipper work. When we work with the clippers, we kind of flick out to leave it a little bit longer as we work our way up, and I'm just basically fading out using scissor over comb that flick out. Alright, so now that we've completed the sides and back, it is now time to cut the top. As you can see, I've taken a center section right there at the top of the head, combing it straight up, holding my fingers in a diagonal section, a diagonal angle, I should say, so that it's a little bit longer in the front. Now that I've created that guide, it is now time to go ahead and cut the rest of the top, and you can see I've switched the way I'm holding the hair, holding it in a different section, basically holding it from ear to ear. My fingers are going from one ear to the other, where before it was from front to back. So, going to finish cutting the top here, and then we're going to add some texture. Alright, so now it is time to add the texture on top. As you can see, I'm taking the hair, twisting it in twisting sections, basically taking my scissors and just closing the blade halfway. I don't close the blade all the way because I obviously don't want to cut that entire section away. So you can see I'm just going back and forth with my thumb to close the blade partially closed. And what that does is it removes a lot of the bulk on wherever you're holding this section. In this particular case, the top. I wanted to give my model the versatility to wear his hair in different ways so he can have texture on top if he wants, or kind of just brush it back, more classic. So by adding texture, you give your model more versatility. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much again for watching.